Today we are at Lorelei to do roddlebahn activity. Roddlebahn is kind of toboggan activity. Lorelei is a small village situated near to the bank of River Rhine. And yeah, let's see. Weather looks really good. And this is the track for this roddlebahn. I hope they allowed me to do video. So this is how toboggan look like. So now we are going up. So now we are on the top and we have control. There is also a small garden that you can also explore. You can come here for one day picnic. From here you have really beautiful view of River Rhine. So this is all from Lorelei. Now we are going to see the statue of Lorelei. So we were there before. Beautiful Rhine River. To see the monument of Lorelei, you have to just keep walking until it's about 2 kilometers from where we parked. I will put this information in my description box so you can check it out where to park and what other place you can explore nearby. Finally we reach to the statue of Lorelei. About it or why it is so famous. Maybe I will check it out and put it in my description box so you can read over there. So this is how it's look like. This is all. Now we are heading back towards home. Thank you very much guys for being with me. See you in next video.